Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra. Today's video is yoga for your back. So if you're feeling tight and sore, this is a gentle practice to help yourself feel more mobile. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Start on our hands and knees in the tabletop position. Knees can be gently hip-width apart, palms underneath the shoulders, or they can be slightly forward of the shoulders. Ground into the hands, hips stacked on top of the knees. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, fill the belly. Exhale through the mouth. Good, one more time. Inhale deep and full. Exhale through the mouth. Awesome. And now take the knees a little bit wider than hip width apart. The palms can come slightly forward of the shoulders. As you exhale, press the sit bones back towards the right heel. Move the sit bones towards the left heel. Inhale, carry yourself forward onto the left hand, over to the right hand, and then pressing the sit bones back towards the right heel and then the left. So we're making a nice big circle with the entire body. And as you do this, move slowly with your breath. Start to connect your breath to your movement. So maybe you're inhaling one half of the circle, exhaling the other half. And then explore going the opposite way with the circle. Beautiful. Pausing on the hands and knees. Take the knees back to hip width apart. Palms come closer towards the shoulders. Exhale, shift the hips towards the right. Let the gaze look over the left shoulder. Inhale back through center. Exhale, hips move towards the left. Gaze looks over the right shoulder. Inhale back. Exhale, opposite way. Inhale, center. Exhale, opposite way. Go back and forth. Pausing on the hands and knees. Exhale, tuck your sit bones around your spine. Move the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, sit bones rise, belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, rounding back. Inhale, lengthen. So as you move through your cat-cow, really bring your attention to your spine. Notice if there's any areas that feel restricted, almost as if you can't move them in this position. And notice areas that maybe feel nice and open already. And we're simply bringing our attention to our spines. without wanting to change anything or be unhappy about anything that's good or bad that we think. Pause back on your hands and knees in tabletop position, neutral spine. Good. Take the knees nice and wide, big toes touch. Walk the hands towards the front of the mat. Press the sit bones back towards the heels. Let the forehead rest on the floor. If the forehead doesn't hit the floor, you can always take a block or a pillow underneath the forehead. Keep reaching the fingertips forward, settling the sit bones back. Walk the hands towards the left side of your mat. The torso follows. So now we have a nice C curve in the torso. Breathing deeply. Inhale, walk the hands back to center. Exhale, walk the hands towards the right side of your mat. Inhale back through center. Ground the hands close to underneath the shoulders. Carry the torso all the way up. Crown of the head lengthening up towards the ceiling. When you get there, sit down onto your glutes and extend the legs forward. Now take the legs into a wide V position. Placing the hands out behind you, use the hands to elongate the spine. Nice long spine, crown of the head lifting up towards the ceiling. Small core engagement here as you inhale, carry the arms up overhead. Exhale, take the torso forward, release the hands onto the mat. So you may come down onto the forearms, or you may just stay on the hands. Find what feels best for you. Keep all 10 toes pointing up towards the ceiling. Walk the hands towards the left leg. Place the left arm on the inside of the left calf. Inhale, carry the right arm up overhead. Beautiful. Opening up the chest. Gaze looks up towards the ceiling. Exhale, look down at the left foot. Take the right hand onto the left leg. Now the torso is moving towards the left leg, so the chest is facing the left thigh. 2 deep, full breaths. Exhale, walk the hands back to center. Towards the right leg. Take the right forearm on the inside of the right calf. Inhale, carry the left arm up overhead. Gaze looks up towards the ceiling. Open up the chest towards the ceiling. Keep the feet active. If the neck is sore looking up towards the ceiling, you can always take the gaze to look down towards the floor, whatever feels best for your neck. Exhale, gaze looks down towards the right leg. Take the left arm down towards the right leg. Walk the hands back towards center. One more big breath in. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, carry the torso back through center. Take the hands behind the knees. Help yourself bend the knees and bring the inner thighs together. Good. Now roll very slowly onto your back and hug the knees in towards the chest. You can even rock from side to side. Pausing at center. Breathing deeply, expanding the belly. Soften the shoulders, soften the face. Exhale, release the arms onto the floor, ground the feet onto the mat. Take the feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Exhale, release the knees down towards the left. Inhale back through center. Exhale, knees release down towards the right. Inhale, center. Again, going back and forth. Follow your breath. Coming back to center, ground the feet onto the mat, knees are bent. Arms lengthening down towards your torso, turn the palms to face the ceiling. Let the eyes close. Softening your entire body onto the mat. Give yourself time to rest here before you move on to your day or evening. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.